Hello guys, today I'm going to showcase combo door Polev2 and acidimic rifle, so let's get started. So this is my stat. First we need to perform a sneak attack, then kill them. You will have to use Super Z and see if they aren't died yet. I don't recommend it using this, but you can use this if they aren't died. A for the combo 1. Slow motion. This combo is quite hard to do also, as you can see I nearly miss. This combo is pretty much like the first one, but it finish faster. I would prefer the first combo because it's easier. Please subscribe and like.